Today, Dr. U.P. Chaudhary Suman, an orthopedic of Hindustan Aeronautic Limited. So let us take advice from him through an interview. So, shall we start?
Yeah.
What definition would you like to give for a body posture?
Body posture is the position of body when you are doing some activity.
So, how can we differentiate between a good or a bad body posture?
And you will find and learn that man has evolved from the horizontal posture to vertical posture. So if you are maintaining a vertical posture when you are sitting or standing, then it's a good posture. And if you are stooping while sitting or standing, then it's a bad posture.
Which type of problem you basically see in your patient whose posture are poor?
Evidently it is backache that they suffer from.
What are the effects of body posture on different body systems such as nervous system, digestive system, circulatory system or different glands such as endocrine gland?
You can take it one by one, like nervous system. If you have bad posture, you may suffer from disc prolapse. Some nerves of the back may get compressed and you will have sciatica pain in the leg. That is nervous system. Then digestive system, if you are stooping, sitting in a stooped way, your digestion will be affected because the bowel viscera will be compressed. Then circulation also, because if the posture is not correct, the blood withdrawal from the leg will not be proper.
Okay, and how can it affect hormones?
Hormones, the study of hormones and body posture has not been studied that way.
Okay. If there is any connection between poor body posture with someone's mental, emotional and social status?
Yeah, the way you speak and stand, it is two-way connection. How you stand shows your personality, and how, again, opposite way. If you want to improve your personality, you have to improve your posture. Like in drama or Devanand style of speaking, you cannot speak without adopting that posture. So posture and personality are related.
No doubt, matter is really very serious. But what are the reasons behind poor body posture?
It's because with changing scenario of work style, like our forefathers were farmers, they were not having any city work. So their lifestyle, they used to go for a walk in the nature, long walk. But now we are doing a sitting job. For this our body is not adjusted. So this requires different type of posture, different type of exercise, which we are not tuned to, nor we are trained to do that. That's why we suffer.
Means we basically say that lack of awareness or lack of knowledge.
Again, there are triangle of things that you have to remember. That one thing that you know something, you learn something by book or someone is telling you something about. Second step is you have to practice under supervision. That is known as training. And third, then you have to do yourself through motivation. So there are three stages of learning. One is knowledge, then you training, and then we become wise by doing something, by failures, by experiences, then we get wisdom. So these three stages are there.
Is it possible to improve our body posture, even long-term bad body posture also?
Yeah, it is possible.
Okay, how?
By exercise, if you have a bad body posture, you do exercise. If a long standing bad body posture, do exercise, corrective exercises, it will get corrected. But it's not a long problem. You are a 10th standard student, so you need to learn good body posture, and somebody else should be there to tell you. You cannot do it your own. You have to learn it through your supervision of your teacher, your parents, and then you can follow it. Only yourself you cannot do.
Is improvement of body posture is an age-bound matter, or we can improve it at any age?
You can improve it at any age, but if you are doing from the very beginning, the deformity will not come.
What are the solutions would you like to suggest to the person who are having poor body posture or incorrect posture?
There are certain tips that you have to follow, like use the handle of the chair when you are sitting so that your back is a little bit relaxed. Some weight is passed through your hand, and the chair should be such that, or there should be some mechanism that your back touches the back of the chair. So the back is not under constant spasm all the time. There is two things: sit erect
Okay.
and study in a good light, and particularly nowadays the problem is of longer standing computer study. When you are sitting on the computer, the level of the computer should be below the level of the eye, and you get hand. Now the new problem is coming of hand posture, apart from back problem. So you need to do care for the posture of the hand, like you are keeping the hand on the hand of the chair. Likewise, you have to take care of the hand as well.
Okay. Any other message you want to give for our project?
Yeah, I will tell that posture or exercise, we are lacking in the culture of exercise or body posture awareness. How this is a major problem. Everybody is knowing that exercise is good, isn't it? But nobody is doing exercise. So there are 3 steps of doing it. First, we must know what is good, what is the in what we exercise should be done. Second stage where we are lacking, that what we learn by this, we must do under some supervision. There must be some trainer, there must be some guru. What is happening? We learn it and try to do alone, and we fail. Because from learning, knowing something, you should pass through, like in science, you do in laboratory under supervision of teacher. Likewise, exercise, importance of exercise. First, you know exercise is important, posture care is important, but there should be someone to tell you, you are sitting not correctly, you sit like this. So that is second stage. So there should be willingness to get trained, willingness to be fired, willingness to be disciplined. So that is second stage that we are lacking. Third one, then it will come.
You supply it in your life.
Apply application of it. But what we are doing from first stage, we are going to third stage without going through the rigorous practice. And the tips, as I told you, the chair should be, there should be some cushion between your back and the chair's back. Body should not be bare so that you get supported, and sit erect.
Thank you, sir. So this is Swati Rai from ThinkWiz Project Healing with Push.